In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in QuickBooks Online. A sales order is a great way to confirm what a customer intends to buy before you invoice them. It helps you reserve inventory, align your team on what's being fulfilled, and keep your books clean because sales orders don't hit your income until you convert them to an invoice. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. From the dashboard, you'll land on the workspace where you can access your day-to-day tasks. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. A quick glance at the company name in the header will confirm you're in the right place. Next, look for the Create button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Create on the Get Things Done page or as a New button in the header. Click it to open the full list of transactions you can make. This menu is your shortcut to everything from invoices to expenses, and today we'll use it to build a sales order. From the menu, choose Sales Order. If you don't see it, it may be unavailable on your plan or turned off in settings, but when it's available, selecting it opens a fresh sales order form ready for details. Now fill out the form carefully. Start by picking the customer. QuickBooks will pull in their billing and shipping information automatically. Review it and update if needed. Confirm the sales order date and note that the number usually increments on its own, keeping your sequence tidy. In the Product and Service table, add each item the customer is ordering. Choose the correct item, set the quantity, and verify the rate. If you track inventory, this is where you make sure quantities reflect what you intend to fulfill. Use the description field to clarify specs, colors, or other details your team needs to get it right. Check whether each line should be taxable and select the appropriate tax rate at the bottom. If you use location or class tracking, assign those so your reporting stays accurate. Add terms, an expected ship date, or a customer message if that helps set expectations. The memo or internal note fields are handy for warehouse instructions or reminders for your team. You can also attach supporting documents like a signed quote so everything stays together. When everything looks good, click Save. You can save and come back later, or save and share it with your customer depending on your workflow. Remember, this creates a non-posting document you can convert to an invoice once you're ready to bill. That's it! Your sales order is created and ready to drive fulfillment and invoicing.